Midcon Consultancy and Engineering Services Limited has completed a journey of 35 years plus. In this long march, the company has undergone several changes and has added various skills with the help of which it has been serving to its clients from industry, banking and government sector, both at national as well as in the international sector. The flagship service of this company can be the contribution made by us in the skill development sector. We have been the pioneers in running programs in development of entrepreneurship, self-employment and skills right from our inception. In the course of last 25 years, our company must have trained not less than 25 lakhs youths in both IT and non-IT based skill training programs, thereby helping them in earning livelihood. Today also, we are working with various esteemed organizations in skill development, such as National Institute of Solar Energy, Delhi, for whom we are working in 6 different states in the country. We have been working with Directorate of Industries, Government of Maharashtra. We are associated with National Skill Development Corporation, New Delhi. We are also being engaged by various industries who are interested in spending their CSR funds for skill developments. So skill development today is one vertical of this company which has been scheduled to earn about 20 crores plus revenue this year, and in turn will be benefiting the society, the youths in a big way. I am really proud of our team which is working in the skill development section, and also all those experts, vendors who are associated with us. Let me also tell you that in the field of energy audits and monitoring, we are one of the leading agencies in the country which has completed more than 1,000 energy audits in various energy guzzling industries such as steel, aluminium, textile, 5-star hotels, malls, foundries, as a result of which today we are having our own set of equipments and at least half a dozen energy auditors working not only in India but also overseas in countries like Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Nepal. The energy auditors have assisted the industry in identifying the ways and means to conserve energy, and now we are in the process of developing a mechanism with the help of which such kind of energy consumption can be monitored by the users. While we deal with energy sector, let me also tell you that renewable energy has always been a prime area in which our company has been working. We have been the leaders in promoting bagasse-based cogeneration of power in sugar industries, pan-India, and are today, to our credit, 900 megawatts plus projects for whom all kinds of consultancy has been rendered by us, including the EPC. We also work with sugar mills in promotion of ethanol and alcohol projects and have been offering them total services. There are quite a few sugar mills or ethanol projects to whom turnkey consultancy has been offered by us on pan-India basis. We are in the process of promoting captive power generation among the industries such as paper and textiles, and for which the necessary marketing efforts are being undertaken. Our company has our own laboratory approved by Ministry of Environment and Forest in the field of environment testing and engineering. We are having NABET accredited consultants empaneled there. We are also proud to say that our laboratory has been approved by NABL. With the help of this laboratory, we are assisting hundreds of industries in carrying out their environment monitoring, as well as various industries have been assisted by us in getting the environment clearances and are working in the field of solid waste management with leading municipal corporations such as Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Jaipur Municipal Corporation and Solapur Municipal Corporation. We have equipped ourselves to undertake projects in solar, and in solar power we are very proud to announce here that our team has been successful in commissioning 17 megawatts of power projects on EPC basis. The projects are located in Sangola Tehsil of Solapur district in Maharashtra, which is of 5 megawatts, from which the power is being supplied to Padamji Paper Mills, Chinchwad. And the other project is in Jamkhed Taluka of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra, from where 12 megawatts of power is being supplied to Solar Energy Corporation of India. We have been consulting more than 1000 megawatts of solar power projects, and also are today in rooftop solar in a big way, supplying the power to various projects such as hospitals, malls, and our solar power projects shortly coming up on EPC basis in Karnataka also is a challenging task ahead for us, and nevertheless with the help of our team we will succeed. Solar power projects on EPC basis is the new vertical of this company, assisted by at least 12 engineers round the clock, and this team is going to grow to 25 in the coming financial year. We have recently organized our market research department, with the help of which we are giving services to various industrial clusters, textile and garments units, and also food processing industry. This team is being led by professionals duly qualified in the respective disciplines. Midcon Consultancy and Engineering Services engages about 200 experts, professionals and staff, and has been associated with various industry experts when needed, the services of whom are hired by our organization. In the coming financial year, I am very happy to inform all concerned that the company is on the threshold of growth. All the performance parameters of the company are signifying that the growth is around the corner, and the performance of the organization will be reaching new heights in the time to come. Thank you.